So the negative keywords here, there are a few types of negatives. So the first type is if you have keywords. Each section, by the way, has a short introduction, so you can read the intro just to understand where the data comes from. The negative keywords, we look at keyword performance and any search terms that are keyword that are performing really poorly in terms of cost per conversion, they are going to be shown in this section, as well as n-gram. So we take a look at all your keywords, and if we spot words that appear multiple times and that are associated with bad performance, then they are going to show up here in the negatives. Now, there is one thing I do have to stress is to take the data with a grain of salt, because this is just a tool. It doesn't have all the data about your business as you have, So sometimes you may see some keywords that are suggested as negatives, even though they are good keywords, but it's because the performance is really bad and the tool is wondering why you still advertising on that keyword with 0 conversions, for example. So in those cases, what you do is you take notice and you go to the Google Ads account and figure out whether the keyword really is relevant, whether you want to keep advertising on it. And some cases, you just want to pause the keyword and not add them as a negative. So in this here, this is the most recent tool that we've built, and we're going to be improving each and every section as we go. Some of them are still a little bit too simplistic in the options that we provide, like just approve and reject. Sometimes what you want to do is a little bit different, okay? But at least here you have the information and you can take a deeper look and decide what you want to do.